creative flower bed for your front yard. Elevate your home curb appeal. When it comes to enhancing your home curb appeal, few have as much impact as a flower bed. A curated flower bed not only adds scentsy to your front yard, but also speaks volumes about your home. Landscaping choices. Here are some innovative ideas that will help create a stunning flower that complements your garden and showcases outdoor flowers. Planting design. One of the effective landscaping tips is adopt a layered planting design. This approach involves placing taller plants at the edge of the flower bed, gradually decreasing the height the plants towards the. By doing so, you will create depth dimension, allowing every to shine. Consider colorful perennials for lively display that blooms year after year. Seasonal rotation. To keep your garden decor fresh and engaging throughout the year, think about planting seasonal flowers that bloom at different times. This strategy ensures that your flower bed remains vibrant no matter the season. For instance, you can start with cheerful daffodils in spring, transition to sunflowers in summer, and finish with elegant mums in the fall. This dynamic approach to flower selection will keep your front yard looking its best throughout the changing seasons. Edging and borders. A professionally landscaped flower bed often features clean edges and defined borders. Incorporate materials such as bricks, stones, or decorative metal to outline your flower bed. This not only enhances the overall structure of your front yard, but also helps to keep mulch and soil contained. Well-defined edges create a polished look that elevates your home landscaping while providing a beautiful frame for your colorful gardens. Themed flower beds. Consider creating a flower bed with a specific theme to add character to your front yard. You might explore a pollinator garden featuring native flowers that attract bees and butterflies, or perhaps a monochromatic design that showcases different shades of a single color. Themed flower beds can serve as a focal point in your garden design and make a striking statement about your exterior decor choices. Incorporating hardscape elements. Don't underestimate the power of hardscape features in your flower bed design. Integrating elements such as trellises, decorative rocks, or garden sculptures can enhance your flower bed by adding texture and interest. These features provide a beautiful contrast to the soft blooms and can help guide visitors' eyes through your outdoor space, making it a joyful experience while boosting the overall appeal of your front yard. In conclusion, a creatively designed flower bed can transform your front yard into a stunning outdoor retreat. By exploring these landscaping ideas and implementing smart design choices, you can create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere that not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also provides a welcoming introduction to your personal sanctuary. Happy gardening!